In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get recently closed tabs back on Google Chrome. If you've ever closed a tab by accident and immediately wished you could bring it back, this is exactly what you need. I'll walk you through a quick example, then show you two simple ways to restore what you just closed, along with a few tips to make the process smoother. First, open Google Chrome and head to google.com to start from a familiar place. For our demonstration, open a site like YouTube from Google. Imagine you're watching something or reading a page, and then you close that tab. Maybe you clicked the X too quickly or used a shortcut out of habit. No worries. Chrome makes it easy to recover. To bring that tab back using your mouse, move to the very top of Chrome where your tabs sit. Right-click on an empty space in the tab bar or directly on the tab area at the top. In the menu that appears, click Reopen Closed tab. The tab you just closed should pop right back, exactly where you left it. If you closed multiple tabs one after another, you can repeat this action to step back through your recently closed tabs in reverse order. Each time you use it, Chrome restores the previously closed tab from that window's history. There's also a faster way using your keyboard. Make sure the Chrome window is active, then press Ctrl, Shift, and T together. That's Ctrl plus Shift plus T on Windows and Linux. If you're on a Mac, use Command plus Shift plus T. This does the same thing as the right-click option and is perfect when you want to recover a tab without touching the mouse. Just like the menu method, pressing the shortcut again will keep restoring earlier closed tabs, one by one. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. If nothing happens when you try to reopen a tab, it usually means there isn't a recently closed tab available for that window, or Chrome has just been launched fresh. Also, this won't work in incognito mode because Chrome doesn't save that browsing history for privacy reasons. And if you use multiple Chrome windows, the tab will reopen in the same window where you closed it, so make sure you're in the right one when you try. That's all there is to it. Right-click and choose Reopen Closed tab, or use the Ctrl plus Shift plus T shortcut, Command plus Shift plus T on Mac, to instantly get back what you closed. With these two methods, you can browse with confidence, knowing a misclick won't slow you down.